Dice on the beat.
Hey ladies and gents, it's your girl Khadija L, and today you're watching a lace frontal install. Well, a lace frontal wig install to be exact. I ordered this wig off of AliExpress from Beeos hair. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. I will drop the link in the description bar below if anybody else wants to order this wig. It is very affordable. It did not come in this color that you guys see on the thumbnail. I dotted that color with the L'Oreal High Color in magenta. So if you wanted this color, just go to your nearest Sally's and purchase L'Oreal High Color. So right now all you see me doing is what I typically do in any other video, gelling my edges back and putting the stocking cap on. This video is very self-explanatory, so I'm hoping that you guys can, grasp the concept. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.
Dice on the beat. Dice on the beat. Dice on the beat. Dice on the beat.
In some of my previous videos, I had a lot of people asking me about this tube of the scalp protector. All this does is really protects your scalp basically from the humid, from sweating. It just allows your adhesive to last way longer. So it's like a barrier between the adhesive and your scalp, because some people tend to break out. So I highly recommend everybody that is doing lace frontals prep your skin with a scalp protector, just to protect yourself.
Dice on the beat.
As of right now, I'm going in with my Ghost Bond lace glue. I think I did about 3 or 4 layers of this glue, and just make sure that you let the glue dry completely before you add another layer or before you put on your lace frontal wig. You want to make sure it dries completely. If it does not dry completely, then you're going to see white specks on your lace frontal wig, and that is not cute at all, and you're just going to want to do the whole thing all over again.
Dice on the beat.
it is when you're feeling the song. So I had a little dance break.
Digits on the beat.
So before the video, I went ahead and cut my lace into 4 like splits into my lace, just because this allows me to lay it better section by section. I don't like to just pull it all on at once. So I'm learning as I go, and this just helped me out a lot. Right now, you're going to see me section off the hair just to cut off the excess lace.
Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat.
As you can see in this clip, my lace is kind of dark because I didn't choose to use a elastic band to tie it down because I was in a rush. But in this clip, I'm just going to continue to cut all the lace off, and after this clip, you're going to see me start doing the baby hairs. But I'm going to show you guys a quick trick if you do not use the elastic band, a quick and easy way to blend that lace into your skin. Time for those baby hairs. I didn't want a lot of baby hairs this time, so I'm gonna do like 2 baby hairs, one in the front, and you're gonna see me do one on the side. And that's gonna be it for this install because I just wanted it to look real natural, not too much because the red is enough, and I just like the look overall, and I didn't think it needed too many baby hairs. Right now I'm just cutting the extra lace off from the back of my wig because I forgot to cut it before I put my wig on. This is my Beeos silk serum. This just gives my hair a silky finish, and I put this on every time before I flat iron my hair. And this also acts as a heat protectant if I don't use my turn up the heat.
Dice is on the beat. Dice is on the beat. Dice is on the beat.
So at this point, you guys, you're just going to see me take my holding spray and I'm going to spray it onto my lace. Then I'm going to take the back of my fine tooth comb and just press my lace firmly into my skin. And this is because I did not use an elastic band, so this allows it to melt into my skin. And this is towards the end of the video, ladies and gents. I'm going to have some pictures at the end, so stay tuned for that. And I just want to thank you all for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment and hit that subscribe button.